guys, so this is my friend Kaiser Supra, and he was nice enough to pretty much hand me the keys and say go have fun. So stay tuned for more shredding.
How was that, man?
It was so much fun. I loved every second of that.
Did the short wheelbase affect you? Was it hard to...
It was very hard at first, but then I started to get a good sense of control for it, and it started to get a lot easier. I could play around a little bit more, because if I didn't really know how to do that, then we probably would be still spinning out.
You picked it up faster than me. I worked at it a lot longer, and it still gets away from me, so you did good. It was worth the tires. I didn't even check them because I don't even care.
Thank you so much.
No
again.
problem, buddy. No problem, buddy. Anytime.